Hi everyone, today we're going to be finishing up our lizard skin and Upol Raptor shoe. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So we're kind of wrapping up a multi-shooting event of lizard skin, sound control, ceramic, and today I'm going to finish up all that with actually shooting Upol Raptor Tintable bed liner undercoating. It's a lot of stuff to say. So anyways, if you want really detailed information, these videos are actually, detailed in the sense that you get to see the whole process. But I talk a little bit more in one of my videos I did about 6 months ago. So if you look at Street Rod Gym, lizard skin, it will pop up a video that has a nice blue panel on it and you'll see what I'm talking about and it goes into depth. And then the video before this one actually does all the lizard skin for all my panels, including the sound control and ceramic. And so today we're going to be focusing on just the Raptor and kind of finishing up the process. And I tell you what, this is a great product. It's great for sealing stuff up, and it's waterproof. It's tough. You could get it in black or you could get it tintable, and then you just put your color choice into it. And you could buy colors from them, or you could actually use your actual paint that you're using and pour it in there. So it's a great product, and I'm really excited about how it's going to turn out for my project. So it's a different day, and I'm getting ready to shoot the Raptor products. Now, for this product, I'm actually going to be suiting up with a respirator. With lizard skin, it was water-based, and there was no real fumes or anything, so didn't notice anything, even though there are certain water-based products like furniture finishes and stuff that you still want to use a respirator, but with lizard skin I didn't notice anything. It seemed totally fine. But with Raptor, it's a different, we're using 2K products, we're putting it together. You definitely want to stay away from those fumes. So I got a little lab going on here with a gram scale, calculator, doing my calculations between a mix between the product, the hardener, and the tint. And I'm actually using the official color of the car, which is, Deltron, PPG Deltron. So I'm using really high quality stuff, and we're going to use that to tint this. And, I don't know too much about the difference like Omni compared to Deltron stuff. I just knew that when I was doing this car that I want to learn one product and I might as well learn the best. So that's the reason I went with this. I'm sure I could save money by doing something else and using maybe Omni to tint my product, but honestly, it's like $100, so that's nothing in the grand scheme of the whole car. So I'm not too worried about it, even though every dollar adds up. But I'd rather spend the $100 than only spending $50 and then not be happy with the product. And so far, I know this product; it's been working well, so I'm sticking with it. So that's how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up and get ready to shoot. All right, so you have to shake it up for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna just let it sit for about 5 minutes, kind of emulsify together or whatever. So the reason you saw the mason jar with product in it and I had to put it back into the bottle was the last time I shot, I just did one panel and I wanted to not waste a whole bottle when I only needed a little bit. So I put the extra product in the mason jar, which I knew would stay sealed. And I verified before I put it together today that the product in the mason jar looked exactly like the product in a new bottle, because I should be using the mason jar plus another full bottle today. And everything looked fine. So, you know, won't have to do that again when I hop into the next bottle. But during my shooting, I'm going to double check how much product it takes to get through all the panels. And since I have to do 2 coats, I'll calculate from there how much I'm going to put and use from the next bottle. I might not have to use the whole thing, might have to use the whole thing and maybe even a little bit more of another bottle, I'm not sure. So kind of go through that process, but it is a lot of calculations, and every time you have a different weight you start with, you have to recalculate your hardener and your tint values and all that stuff. So we'll see how it goes, but we're gonna actually get ready to shoot. All right, so we got the money shot pieces that are going to look amazing under the car, and you can just see this just looks phenomenal, and of course matches the brakes. So that's our outside floor panels, and then our inside floor panels have a few spots that show, so I only painted a few spots right there by the trans tunnel, but everything is just coming out beautiful. Beautiful. These are some of the money shot panels. So, and this one actually faces the outside, so I had it taped off originally during lizard skin, but then I realized that I had to paint that one, so I'm glad I got to that one. And of course, here's the 1 foot high by 3 foot wide tape pile, which is pretty crazy. And you know, some people might be saying, man, this guy's insane for doing this stuff, but you know what? I'm just doing it the way that I would like to do it because I appreciate making quality stuff. So to each their own, but I'm happy, super happy, and we have to let this stuff dry for about 7 days. It needs to cure up, and so it's going to leave me a little bit incapacitated here to be able to do anything because it's taking up my whole garage. But maybe after I clean up this cardboard and stuff, I'll have some space. And I was thinking, you know, I could move over to mocking up the center console, but I kind of need to let this thing dry before I could get to that. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I always say stuff and then change my mind later, but it's where my head's at this moment. Well, that's it for this video. Have a great day.